It is 2:27, and we're currently in Austin.
We're on South Congress.
You can see the Capitol building up ahead.
Which has...
That's where some elevator buttons came from.
Because ThyssenKrupp is modernizing the elevators in the Texas State Capitol building.
And they kindly gave them to, well, this car. They're in the back.
They kindly gave us some more crap to fill the soccer mom vehicle.
Yeah, the soccer mobile is going to get filled up more.
Powerful that?
Wow.
Okay, well,
delete some stuff.
here we are.
Alright, let's see if there's anything that's all like wrecked down here. Oh, well, we got some boards up on the wall. These are all the protests going on right now, so there's... I can't tell if those have been broken into, if those are preventative. I think it's preventative. They all look smashed.
Right.
We can delete
6th Street is where we are getting closer to, and that probably has something going on.
Yes, I think...
Oh, yep, there's some more, and if there's any, I apologize for any colorful words you may see on the walls.
I got 4 minutes to record now.
Oh, we got some more boarded up stuff there.
And I have to wait for a red light.
We're on 5th Street.
And there's CVS with the crappy Kone.
There's a Kone in there?
Yep.
Wow.
And to the left are some buildings.
Oh, we just passed by my building, by the way.
Where you work?
Down there, that curved building right by JW Marriott.
Okay.
Used to have Otis Vanity, now ThyssenKrupp touched most of it.
ThyssenKrupp touch? Or you mean they touched it?
Well, they touched most of the elevators and modded it.
Okay.
And then over there is the historic Scarborough building, which apparently has a lot of boarded up stuff because they're doing some renovations in some parts of the building, but also the protests.
We're going to pass by 6th Street. And at 6th Street, there probably is a lot of stuff going on.
Yes.
Some of my best days in college, as people would say.
Yeah, we got some more stuff going on there.
Okay, so Littlefield building, right there.
And we gotta stop again.
And here's 6th Street.
There's Pete's Coffee, my favorite coffee chain of all time.
Block the box.
Look on the right to see how 6th Street looks. Oh, they look peaceful today.
That's good.
I don't want to hit the truck.
Oh no.
Still got lots of boarded up stuff.
What's the street?
It's just preventative kind of boards.
They're going to open this up soon.
What is this
Contemporary Jones Center. It's like a modern art art
museum.
Yeah. There's a Paramount
right up in front of us, you can see the Texas Capitol.
Right.
This is the capital of Yeehaw Land.
Yeehaw Land.
I don't think of Yeehaw Land as Texas. I think it was more Kentucky or Tennessee.
It'd be more of y'all.
Y'all Land. It's Y'all Land.
I think it was more like I said.
This is the land of the worst drivers.
Like that.
There you go. Now y'all got some editing to do.
Dover bus.
Well, we have Dover stuff in the back. We have the chime from the bus.
Oh, they're spray paint. They're getting the spray paint off. Here's a little bit of a protest going on down here. Someone has the Black Lives Matter. They do. Everyone's life matters.
Yes. All lives...
Black, yellow, red, white.
Brown. All lives matter.
I don't know if they're going to be blocking the Capitol employees garage.
We got all these kind of police here. The Capitol employees garage, I figured they would go there.
I don't know personally. It's tricky now with this protest thing going on.
There's a nice view of the Capitol, but well, it's covered in trees. But there is the Texas State Capitol.
Hey, do I turn on Trinity, right? And then you turn around 13th or 14th Street?
Correct.
Okay. We can park on the street.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna go touch your ticket. Get the ticket.